PDTOOLS Superabrasive has been guaranteeing traditions of quality since 1966. What can be worse than a dull knife? Knives can be sharpened different ways. Perfect sharpness can be obtained with the help of sharpeners that ensure right angle of knife sharpening. The secret is not only in the sharpener, but also in the quality of sharpening tool. PDTOOLS Superabrasive company developed and produced unique sharpening stones. Our stones have unique bond with CBN resin or diamond, which strongly holds grains and which is self-renewable. We can offer two product lines called Premium and Premium LITE. Premium LITE line sharpening stones have 1.5 mm working layer and perfectly suitable for beginners. Premium line sharpening stones have 3 mm working layer and have high quality components in the bond. Sharpening stones produced for rough and finish operations, with big and small grits. Usually, a set from 4 to 8 grits are used for high quality sharpening. As we know, diamond and CBN are the toughest materials in the world if you process knives made of the toughest steels. Pay attention to how perfectly the knife is sharpened. Knife is perfectly sharp. Clients who value performance and quality choose our sharpening tools. Choose a perfect set for yourself. You will be happy with the sharpening stones.